Acing those tests. Evolution to the rescue. Hey there, future scientists. Ever wonder why we study evolution? It's not just about memorizing long names, though those dinosaur names are pretty cool. Understanding evolution is like having a superpower for your biology exams. Imagine knowing the family history of all living things. You'll see how plants, animals, even those tiny microbes are all related. It's like discovering you're distantly related to a mushroom. Fascinating, right? Knowing how life changed over millions of years helps you understand the amazing diversity we see today. Plus, it helps you answer those tricky exam questions about adaptations and relationships between species. So, buckle up. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through time, exploring the grand story of life on Earth. In the beginning, life finds a way. Picture this: Earth, billions of years ago. No trees, no animals, just a hot, soupy mess. Yet in this primordial soup, something incredible happened. The first signs of life emerged. Tiny, single-celled organisms. These pioneers were simple, but they had a superpower, the ability to replicate. They made copies of themselves, passing on their instructions for life. It wasn't always perfect. Sometimes tiny changes happened in the instructions. These changes, my friends, are the heart of evolution. Most changes weren't a big deal, but every now and then, a change would give an organism an advantage. Maybe it could gather food more efficiently, or withstand the harsh environment better. These lucky organisms thrived and reproduced, passing on their beneficial changes. This process, my friends, is called natural selection. Early Earth was a hostile place with volcanic eruptions, lightning storms, and a toxic atmosphere. But these harsh conditions led to the formation of simple organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Amino acids and nucleotides formed, eventually leading to the first simple cells. These first single-celled organisms were the ancestors of all life on Earth, thriving in the primordial soup. Tiny cells, big changes, the single-celled revolution. For millions of years, single-celled organisms ruled the Earth. They were like the tiny chefs of the planet, experimenting with different ways to survive. Some became experts at using sunlight for energy, like tiny green chefs whipping up a solar-powered feast. We call these superstars cyanobacteria. Their invention? Oxygen. Yes, the very air we breathe is thanks to those early pioneers. It was a game changer, paving the way for more complex life forms to evolve. Who knew such tiny organisms could have such a huge impact? Section 4. Joining forces. The rise of teamwork. Now, imagine a group of single-celled organisms deciding, hey, let's team up. That's pretty much how the first multicellular organisms came to be. Cells began to specialize, taking on different roles like a well-coordinated team. Some cells were in charge of structure, some handled movement, and others focused on digestion. It was like forming the first biological band, with each cell playing its part to create a harmonious and more complex organism. This teamwork led to an explosion of diversity. The oceans became teeming with strange and wonderful creatures, from jellyfish with their mesmerizing tentacles to worms burrowing in the seabed. Life was getting more exciting. Section 5. From water to land, a giant leap for life. Life in the water was getting crowded. It was time for a change of scenery. But venturing onto land was no easy feat. It was a whole new world out there, with challenges like gravity and a lack of comfy, watery support. But life, my friends, is nothing if not persistent. Some brave creatures evolved lungs to breathe air and strong limbs to move on land. Plants too joined the adventure, developing roots to anchor themselves and systems to transport water. This move from water to land was a pivotal moment in evolution. It opened up a whole new playground for life, leading to the incredible diversity of land animals and plants we see today. Section 6. From dinosaurs to us, the age of awesome adaptations. Fast forward a few million years and dinosaurs ruled the Earth. These magnificent creatures were masters of adaptation, from the mighty T-Rex with its bone-crushing jaws to the gentle giants like Brachiosaurus, munching on leaves high up in the trees. But even giants fall. A cataclysmic event, we're talking asteroid impact here, wiped out the dinosaurs, paving the way for a new era. Mammals who had been living in the shadows seized their chance. They diversified and evolved, eventually leading to us, humans. From our opposable thumbs to our big brains, we carry the legacy of billions of years of evolution within us. Every feature, every characteristic tells a story of adaptation and survival. Section 7. Evolution. The never-ending story, plus a quiz. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour through the epic saga of evolution. We've seen how life emerged from humble beginnings, how tiny changes led to incredible diversity, and how challenges sparked amazing adaptations. Remember, evolution isn't just about the past. It's happening right now, all around us. From bacteria developing resistance to antibiotics to plants adapting to climate change, life is constantly evolving. Now, ready to test your knowledge? Head over to our fun quiz and see how much you've learned about the wonders of evolution. Good luck, and remember, keep those brains evolving.
All right, everyone, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you've picked up on this fascinating journey through evolution. Get ready, and let's dive in.